So hello friends, welcome to this channel Mac Gamer, and in today's video I'll be showing it to you simple and easy solution how to view video, how to switch to video on Spotify if your video isn't visible to you. If you're playing your favorite track, you're enjoying the audio, but what if the video is not visible? Alright, first let me tell you, it is really easy and possible to view the video, to switch to video, but if it is any old of the songs, like the vintage songs, and the video isn't even available, then it wouldn't view. But in today's time, the recent bangers, if you're heading on to and there is no video at all, then how to view it, this Mac Gamer channel will show it to you. So guys, what you'll be doing right now is you'll be heading towards Spotify. So guys, before starting the video, just hit that subscribe button and like the video because you'll be definitely needing this Mac Gamer channel in future. Everyone has some technical queries and concerns, especially about their favorite music listening platform, and we provide videos on any of the content. You just need to comment it down. And after the video or before the video, you can definitely visit our website, which is macgamer.com. Each and every technical problem with solutions is explained in text format, so it is quite easy to understand. So after the video, after you finish the video, definitely visit our website. So let's just start this video without any delay. Open your Spotify. After opening your Spotify, get your desired song on the list. Supposedly we type Hi, which is any of the songs you can play. We select this song, and as you can see, there is no video visible. Alright. So what you'll be doing right now is you'll just be heading to the main page, which is the search page. You'll be clicking onto your profile button, which is in the top left corner. You'll be getting into your profile button. Then you'll be clicking on settings and privacy, which is the last option. Settings and privacy. And then you'll be clicking on content and display, which is the fourth option in your settings, content and display. Make sure guys, the steps are very simple. This is a very easy solution. You just need to be in this video from start to end and don't miss any of the steps. You go on to content and display, and there is an option called canvas. The third option, the second option in content preferences, the canvas, which is switched off right now. And this is the reason you aren't able to view any of the videos. You'll be clicking on and turning on the canvas option. As soon as you turn the canvas option, here my friends, we can see if we play the song right in here, here it is. If we play the song, here it is. The video is playing on our screens. So boom, friends, this was an easy solution. You want to see again? If we switch off, then the video isn't visible. If we switch it on, then the video is visible. That's it. This Mac Gamer channel provides you each and every solution at your doorstep. In your ear. Without any inconvenience for you, fact-checked working solutions. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and visit our website macgamer.com. We'll meet you soon.